Hello to you all and welcome to IMPROVATE's International Innovation Conference. IMPROVATE is a platform for creating long-lasting connections, enabling change makers in technology and decision makers in government to make progress through innovation. IMPROVATE is all about finding solutions and sparking collaborations that will improve the quality of life for people around the world. Today, we will be discussing how the world is showing the first signs of being on the way to emerging from the global crisis and how innovation and technology will enable us to learn, travel, and improve health systems in the post-COVID world. Joining us today from Belgrade, President Rosen Plevnilev, the President of Bulgaria between 2012 and 2017. And here at the studio, IMPROVATE's founder and chair, Irina Nevzlin. And throughout this special broadcast, we will be hearing from ministers and ambassadors from Greece, Serbia, Montenegro, Poland, and Bulgaria. And of course, a key pillar of IMPROVATE conferences, leading Israeli innovation companies presenting technological solutions that will take the world beyond the current crisis. Sivan developed the MoveCare app, detects relapses and complications in real time among recovering cancer patients and sends an alert immediately to the care team to enable the right treatment at the right time. It also improves communication between the patients and oncologists, and by doing so reassures patients and improves their quality of life. Let's take a look. Ablia, CEO of Sivan Innovation, the digital healthcare leader that designed and developed MoveCare. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you.
What's the story behind your company? Why was it founded?
So MoveCare was founded in order to improve the patient journey and the patient's life. Patients who have cancer, they rarely see the oncologist, only every 3 months or 6 months. And when the relapses occur, they are often detected too late. And when they are detected, it's often impossible to give an optimal treatment to the patient because his health state is already deteriorated. So this is the foundation of MoveCare. It's a unique digital therapy that anticipates the relapses of cancer and allow the doctor to treat earlier and then treat better.
So what's the game-changing aspect of your technology, of your innovation, your unique selling point?
So MoveCare is really like a major innovation. This is the first time in the world that a digital therapy was proven to improve survival, overall survival. We did many clinical studies, phase 2, phase 3 clinical studies, exactly like you would have with a drug, with a control arm, an experimental arm. And we show that we can improve survival by almost 8 months, which is amazing.
A lot for someone who struggles to survive.
Exactly. Yeah. And also, like a patient who has cancer, like he's waiting from scanner to scanner for a potential relapse to be detected. And he's very anxious. And MoveCare allows him to feel much closer to the doctor. he tells us that on Monday morning, he fills out this questionnaire and he knows that someone is out there checking, and he knows that he has
someone is monitoring his health.
Yeah. Exactly. So he feels more empowered, more engaged, and instead of just being a patient, he becomes a user, a real actor of his health.
It's interesting. And what's your business model growth strategy for the future?
So it's a good question. So for now, our natural business model was the reimbursement. In France, this is the first time that such a PRO was reimbursed by health authorities. So it's basically prescribed by oncologists and reimbursed by the public health system. And we are already in about 20 hospitals in France using MoveCare, prescribing MoveCare to lots of patients. And we will extend MoveCare to other geography throughout Europe, in the US also. And we also are doing other clinical studies in order to be able to extend MoveCare to other cancer indications, so that every patient can really benefit from this unique digital tool, and also to be able to monitor the toxicities associated with the drugs of the patient, which is also the health data today is a major issue for pharmaceutical companies. It's very important to be able to monitor toxicities, compliance, quality of life of the patient, and MoveCare will allow the company to do that. So you have
big plans, and I hope you will succeed.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We are seeing here today innovative solutions that can save life and improve health systems. Can you tell us, is Bulgaria encouraging implementation of new technologies in its health systems?
Well, in our country with 7 million population, we have approximately 300 hospitals, 10 of them specializing in cancer, especially as we're talking about this amazing technology we are seeing right now. Recently, with the help of the European Union development money, we had a program for almost $500 million to technologically reshape our hospitals. A lot of scanners, a lot of other equipment has been purchased. This program is going to be doubled in the next 7 years as we are planning for the period 2021-2027 to further modernize our hospitals. It was also encouraging that we have world-leading hospitals like Tokuda from Japan or Acıbadem from Turkey, in cooperation with Johns Hopkins, that are opening some branches in my country. So speaking about my country, I can surely say we have a new program that is going to be implemented 2021, 2027 with at least $700 million on reshaping technologically our hospitals. But if you put the region together, Greece is even bigger and more advanced of us, Romania, Croatia, all the 11 countries. Surely we're speaking about thousands of hospitals and several $billion of money that will pour into modernization for the next 3 to 5 years' time. So Israeli companies are really welcome. It's the right time to come.
And that's it from IMPROVATE's Innovation Conference. We've heard today from Eastern European government officials, local companies, and from Israel's leading innovation and tech companies about new technologies and opportunities beyond the current crisis. IMPROVATE is all about access and connections, exposing Israeli tech leaders to governments and companies around the world to promote businesses whose goal is innovation. The exposure right here at this conference is just a first step. The next step, delegations and real businesses connections. We want to thank you all for taking part and hope this is just a start of doing business together, making technology accessible to all and improving the lives of people across the world. A special thanks to the Jerusalem Development Authority and to the innovation companies who presented here: Kamada, Zebra Medical Vision, Data EdTech Labs, Sivan, Tempramed Israel, Innovitech Medical Solutions, Genix, HD Bioimaging, and SOPI. Keep an eye.